exploration of Web3 technology, we've already delved into the game-changing reverse gas model offered by the IC blockchain. Now, we're diving deeper into why the IC blockchain stands out as one of the most cost-effective platforms for on-chain data storage. The rise of data storage apps. In today's tech-driven world, data storage has become indispensable. Everything has shifted online, and easy access to data is a fundamental requirement. This is where data storage apps like Google Drive have gained immense popularity. People prefer these apps over traditional USB drives or hard drives. The appeal of personal data storage apps can be attributed to two key factors: cost and accessibility. These apps, often free with limited features, offer storage capabilities comparable to affordable physical storage solutions. Users gravitate towards free personal data storage apps as they can upgrade to premium plans if they require more storage, and they're already familiar with the platform. This preference has made personal data storage apps like Google Drive more popular than conventional storage options. Accessibility is another critical aspect. Personal data storage apps are readily available online, eliminating the need to carry physical storage devices. In a world where laptops, especially those like Apple's MacBook, often lack built-in USB ports, and smartphones have become indispensable for work, these apps offer a seamless solution. Furthermore, USB drives and hard drives can easily be misplaced or lost, creating difficulties in accessing data. In contrast, personal data storage apps like Google Drive provide data accessibility from any device with an internet connection. While popular personal data storage apps offer convenience, they lack transparency. These centralized apps place full trust in the company, leaving users uncertain about how data is managed on the back end. This lack of transparency has raised concerns, particularly in an age of data breaches and the sale of personal data among companies, especially those in sales-related industries. The IC solution. Web3 proponents often tout blockchains and smart contracts as secure alternatives for data storage. However, storing data on popular chains usually comes with a high gas fee, making it less cost-effective than Web2 apps. This is where the IC blockchain, with its canister smart contracts and the reverse gas model, steps in as a solution. The IC blockchain offers cost-effective on-chain data storage, thanks to its unique cycle mechanism, which replaces the gas fee system prevalent on most popular blockchains. The key distinction is that gas fees account for both computation and data storage costs, while cycles only consider the computation cost of the canister smart contract. Additionally, gas fees fluctuate based on blockchain congestion, whereas cycles remain stable and more affordable. But how can the IC compete with apps like Google Drive that offer free data storage? The challenge is met through the implementation of the reverse gas model. Under this model, developers staking ICP tokens can create cycles on canister smart contracts, covering the costs incurred when users interact with dApps. Scenario example. To illustrate this, let's follow Albert, who wants to develop a transparent data storage app called StoreIt on the IC blockchain. To kickstart this project, Albert creates a canister smart contract for StoreIt and stakes a specific amount of ICP tokens as cycles, with the minimum amount determined by the NNS DAO on the IC blockchain. Once the canister smart contract is ready, Albert launches the StoreIt app, allowing users to store their data on the IC blockchain. As Annie, one of Albert's friends, uses the app to store her data, she incurs no costs. All expenses are covered by the cycles already available on the StoreIt canister smart contract due to Albert's earlier staking. This creates an app akin to Google Drive, where users can store data for free, with the developer bearing the expenses. However, StoreIt runs on the IC blockchain, offering full data placement visibility while keeping the data itself secure through encryption implemented by Albert. But how does Albert monetize this service? Similar to Google Drive, he can ask users to pay for additional data space through tokens or by purchasing an NFT. This mirrors the concept of upgrading storage space in traditional apps like Google Drive. Moreover, since the IC blockchain eliminates gas fees, users won't incur any extra charges when purchasing additional space, as Albert covers those costs. The IC blockchain has the potential to drive Web3 technology adoption, particularly in data storage. It combines the best of both Web3 and Web2 worlds, transparency and affordability. Thanks to the reverse gas model and the cycles mechanism, users have two options for storing data on the IC blockchain. First, they can create their canister smart contracts, which are more cost-effective than traditional gas fees and are suitable for one-time processes like storing small agreements. Second, they can use dApps like the hypothetical storage dApp, offering free storage with limited space and an extension plan, much like the Google Drive. IC blockchain's innovations dispel the myths of Web3 being too expensive and too complex. It paves the way for people to understand and adopt this transformative technology, offering a more transparent and cost-effective alternative to conventional data storage solutions. We hope this video intrigues you to understand more about the IC blockchain and create more dApps on it to help spur the growth of Web3 adoption.